Welcome to our latest video. In just 2 minutes, we'll take you on a creative journey through a world of stunning bedroom wall design ideas. Whether you're looking to transform your bedroom into a cozy retreat, a stylish sanctuary, or an artistic haven, we've got you covered. From soothing color palettes to bold and trendy accents, this video will inspire you with a variety of chic and unique design concepts. So, if you're ready to elevate your bedroom's aesthetics and create a space that reflects your personality, stay tuned and let your imagination